Hello everyone, we're going to do a review about this Toyota from the brand Hobby Japan. Okay, let's open it up. Well, at least take off the plastic. Okay, let's take a look at the package first. We can see it's from Initial D. And it comes with a small diorama. Open headlights, so in the diorama you see the shine of the headlights. Let's take a look over here. Okay, we got a small cartoon from Initial D. I have no idea what he is saying. Here we got some information about the car that's inside. 1/64 scale Toyota Sprinter Trueno GT Apex AE68. Project D, open headlights with for a GA5 valve display model. Whoa. And here the barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Here we can see the Hobby Japan logo and a QR code. Freeze the frame if you want to use it. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, we got a nice background here. This model is also available by Hobby Japan, and I think I've ordered this one because this one is also comes with a driver inside. That is really cool. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Okay, first we're going to take the display off. Oh, be careful. Okay, we can see it comes with two accessories, a pallet and the engine. Always handy to have extra accessories for dioramas, etc. And it's pretty nice that it comes with an engine from the Toyota. And here's the pallet. Okay, let's put it right here. It's supposed to be like this. We can have a look at the car. Unfortunately, no license plate. That's a little bit of a disappointment because these cars are not cheap here in the Netherlands. Around, what is it? 30, 40 euro a piece, between 30 and 40 euro a piece. Okay, we got the heating in the back window and windscreen wiper. Can see it's a right-hand drive and two different seats in the car. I like that. So open headlights here. And again, no license plate. I like what they did with the diorama. You can see the steering wheel looks good and authentic. Okay, let's take the car from the base. Okay, I forgot to mention the side mirrors. There are side mirrors. Okay, here we have the base, Hobby Japan. And some details. The exhaust here on the end has a silver paint. They did pretty well with that. Are the wheels rolling? Yeah, but not that super good. No, that's no good. It's a little bit rolling. Let's try it here on the table. Oh, you can see that's no good. Okay, then I have this one right here. And check this out. This one is from Timemicro, comes with a license plate. We do have the lanced headlights, but the rest is painted. So this one got lanced lights here and here. And I have to say the ones from Hobby Japan looks a little bit better, but hey, Hobby Japan, for that kind of money we need a license plate. It looks so much better with a license plate. They both have carbon here on the hood. This is a little bit lighter, the one from Timemicro. The one from Timemicro also has a little bit bigger side mirrors, but the one from Timemicro has windscreen wipers that are lying on top of the window, and Hobby Japan has windscreen wipers that are molded in the glass. The interior of Hobby Japan is a winner, especially with the different color seats, the steering wheel. Here, maybe you can put some light on and you can see. So here it got a good interior, but no different colors from the seats. Steering wheel is okay, so the interior is okay. Okay, let's have a look at the side. Yeah, I like the wheels from the one from Timemicro also a little bit more. Oh, this one, the one from Hobby Japan, also had a mirror here in the middle. See in the front. Oh no, I thought it was painted red, but it's not. But here you can see it has a mirror. And here, not. Okay, then we can have a look at the back. So pretty much the same. But yeah, in my opinion, Timemicro is the winner because of the license plate. And here the base. So Timemicro used a little bit more silver paint on the base. But yeah, if I have to choose between these two, I go for the one from Timemicro. I think it's cool that Hobby Japan has a nice display case with a small diorama and that it comes with a palette and an engine. If Hobby Japan had a license plate, well, I don't know. But the price is also, I think I paid for this one, and I think it's still available between 20 and 30, and this one is between 30 and 40. So yeah, with the palette and the engine and the nice display case, I understand, but okay. So let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? Hobby Japan with the palette and the engine and the nice diorama, or the one from Timemicro? A little bit cheaper, a little less details, but it comes with a license plate. Let me know. For now, I have to say thank you for watching. Please thumbs up, you really help me with that, and share this video with your Diecast friends. See you later.